Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we were trading below these exponential moving averages, and I mentioned the fact that we are looking for a possible retest around the 14 mark. As of right now, we are still consolidating in that range, and I'm still expecting a move to the downside, but I did want to point out a few things. Number one, of course, across the cryptocurrency pairs, we are seeing altcoins rally, but Luna Classic is lagging behind. We haven't seen the pumps like we have seen on other meme coins just yet, and I did want to talk about a few things. Number one, of course, is the fact that in terms of the exponential moving averages, we are starting to use them as support. We could be looking for that liquidity wick still, which I talked about yesterday, that I was hoping for we saw in this price action over here, and then the continuation. For those of you that are new to the channel, of course, what I mean by liquidity wick is something like this, where we see a nice wick on Luna Classic. We saw another one right over here, where pretty much the price pumps, grabs that liquidity, buyers think that the price is going to continue pushing on higher, and then immediately after it gets wicked to the downside. This is pretty much what I'm looking for currently. My overall perspective on Luna Classic is still going to be, of course, the 14 support level, because of the fact that we've only tested the support level once. I would like to see a second test on this level and then the continuation, but of course right now it is looking a little bit more bullish in terms of price action. Anything above these exponential moving averages drastically changes the opinion on Luna Classic, but of course this is still considered a no trade zone. The reason why is, of course, you can see that we are still hugging these exponential moving averages without a clean break formation. Luna Classic has been in this massive move to the downside, pretty much slow bleed pattern from all the way up to 31, which I called perfectly that this would be the local top opportunity once we pumped up, and then since then it has been a very slow bleed to the downside. We haven't seen that bullish pattern just come in just as of yet. I would like to see volume obviously kick in as well, but in terms of Luna Classic overall right now, we are still going to be looking for that overall move set to possibly the downside. I did want to talk about, of course, the lower time frames, because it does give us a better analysis of where things are heading, and right now you can see that we are pretty much in this consolidation zone. But if you're paying attention on the hourly, you can see that we've rejected this resistance level 3 times. This is a bearish move set, of course, with the fact that it looks like the bulls just can't seem to break above these EMAs. And I wanted to talk about, of course, when we started this exponential moving average in terms of the indicator rally, you can see that we were using this level as support as we were going up. Right now things have obviously changed. When we got the break of this formation to the downside, we are now consolidating, so this is a neutral standpoint. Again, right now we are hovering right in between this resistance and this support levels. This is why I mentioned the fact that I am not looking for any trades just yet, but I am leaning towards the downside. Any sort of wick to the upside at these levels would be an opportunity for a short, or even if we did get a wick to retest this resistance level specifically, that would be the opportunity for me to actually look for that short. We can see on previous price analysis, we had the same sort of consolidation range, and then we saw that nice liquidity grab, and then the continuation. Of course, if we do see that liquidity grab, it's not the end of the world if you missed a trade, because you can see from previous price analysis, you had multiple opportunities to actually look for that trade and then add to that position, right? Right now, though, on the hourly, we are nearing the overbought area, and I did want to mention the fact that, of course, when you guys are looking at the hourly, things tend to be a little bit more manipulated. The reason why we use the 4 hours for our overall analysis is a little bit better, because it gives you a much more weight in terms of an analysis. Right now, though, on Luna Classic, you can see that we still have yet to test our take profit level, which is around the 17 mark, and using this as consolidation is the reason why I'm changing my bias a little bit, because of the fact that we still have yet to take some profits up at this level. We've seen the same sort of formation across most of the cryptocurrency pairs, but again, Luna Classic has been lagging. We had the opportunity yesterday, tried to grab that liquidity, but again failed, immediately back down, and once again now using this area of support, you can see volume is also dying, so be expecting a large move. My opinion, once again, is still overall to the downside to playing this overall level here at 86. The reason why this 86 level, of course, is so important is because of the fact that on the daily support, this acts as a very strong support slash resistance. You can see Luna Classic failed to break above this level on the daily immediately after we had this consolidation range, and before we had this massive run up, we also had the same sort of resistance. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.